found a recipe on TikTok. So, let's do it today. First, we need to wash the strawberries.
This is how you wash it. I think you still have this now. Let's put it here and mix it. Step 2. We need to caramelize the sugar.
Caramelize. Caramelize.
Now I'm going to on it. I know it's not on. No. Please don't. Oh, I need 3 cups.
We will need to add some water. You can't caramelize it like this.
I can't caramelize it.
Looks like the sugar stuck.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Actually, I don't know what happened.
Ethan, can you just stop? Well, this is how you do it. You just have to make sure the full sugar fully dissolves.
Ooh, actually, now we need to put the strawberry.
Okay.
Step 4. A glass of ice water.
The last step. Now we need to dig. I'm so scared. Please.
Yeah, this you need to be accompanied by an adult when we do this.
Oh no, it's so difficult. I think you help.
Seriously?
It's so little. I can't reach.
Oh no, but we do it.
No crunchy. Still.
So this is our second attempt. Our first attempt, on our first attempt, the caramelized sugar was not thick enough. So now we cooked it again to make it more thicker. So this is our second attempt, but I hope it works. I hope so not.
Let's try.
Let's put it in that ice water again. Let's do it again. We have to mix them all together into one.
Yes, I hope it's yummy.
It's not. It sounds so fun.
It's so yummy.
Is it? How does it taste like?
So crunchy.
Yeah. Yo, this one is sweet. Uh-oh. You guys should try this at home too. I hope.
Crunchy.
That is the most crunchy strawberry I ever eaten. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Goodbye.